'Cause I make it so easy to fall in love. So they have churches, they have mosques, yeah, they have everything. That's a good thing about the secular country. So it's our day 4 in Baku और आज हम आए हैं here I love Baku site and the amazing museum which has the brilliant architecture in Baku. तो देखते हैं what awaits for us. Ice Baba. This is लास्ट 3 डेज से जो वेदर था बाकू में वो काफ़ी सनी था और फाइनली आज जो है वो क्लाउडी वेदर है और उसके साथ साथ बहुत ठंडी हवा लग रही है तो काफ़ी मज़ा सा आ गया है हमें क्योंकि हमें एक्सपेक्टेड था कि यहाँ पर सर्दी होगी ठंड होगी लेकिन काफ़ी गर्मी थी तो अब लग रहा है कि हम लोग और ज़्यादा एंजॉय करने वाले हैं क्योंकि वेदर काफ़ी रिलैक्सिंग हो गया है. Have a look. Amazing, beautiful clouds. ये इनका टिकट ऑफिस है. They are waiting for us. Aizil. Aizil museum disan ayya. You are always hungry, Aizil. You got the tickets? So we are 5, so we bought 5 tickets to visit this museum and exhibition, Heydar Aliyev Markaz Museum and Exhibition. It costed us 15 manat per person. So we paid 75 manat for 5 persons. Azil, you like this museum? Shots your colors ke. They are dancing. Go watch it. Go. They are dancing. We are matching. Same. Okay, this car was founded by 2 brothers in 1929. Oh my god, very old, such an old car.
And here is an interesting fact that this car was owned by
President of Guatemala.
Yes.
Nice. So guys, we are just visiting this amazing museum and it has such a nice piece of art. Look at this beauty. Wow. And there are cars as well, the very old vintage cars from 1929, 1920s, and like this. So I like this place, and the architecture is really nice. Overall architecture of this museum, it's amazing. It's amazing, really. Wow, look at the architecture. Aizil, you like this place?
Yes, I like this place.
You like this place, and you are eating chips in this place.
Yes.
Wow, look. Old Baku. Nice. Madin Tower. We visited yesterday. Marginski residence. So this place has the different amazing monuments and architectures of Baku, belonging to the history of Baku and current architecture as well. This is the Momina Khatun tomb. असां हिते न विया आहियूं न मोमिना खातून tomb. Yes, also we visited this fort yesterday. Mini Venus, we also went there. Executive power of Baku. No. So many places. Government house. Supreme Court of Baku. It is a government house, Supreme Court. Baku railway station. Airport. Wow. Amazing architecture they have, no doubt. Amazing architecture. International Mogam Center. Government house in Heydar. This is the Heydar Aliyev Foundation. This is the place where we are right now, Heydar Aliyev Center. We are here. We are inside this. We are here. Yes. The Carpet Museum. Have been there, visited this. State Oil Foundation. Because Baku was the first place in the world where they found the oil. Yes, Baku Crystal Hall. We visited this. Look at the architecture. Look at this. Yes, this is palace. Yes, Aizil. इतना अच्छा architecture. Wow. This is the Philharmonic Hall. This is the Philharmonic Hall, Aizil. Guba Genocide Memorial Complex. बीबी हैबत मॉस्क इहा आहे 29 ते बाक़ी हू मॉस्क जी ठाहे छॾियो ऐं हिन मास जुम्मा मॉस्क जी ठाहे छॾियो जुम्मा मॉस्क शाम शक्ति. So they have churches, they have mosques, yeah, they have everything. That's a good thing about the secular country. There's one more mosque, I don't know, Shusha Mosque. Let's read about Flame Towers. 190 meters, 2007. Construction started from 2007, ended in 2013. Wow, 6 years. And they made 3 flame towers in 6 years. Amazing. Who is inside? Wow, Sukoon program. Wow. Amalia Krishe dekhari. Look at these creepy dolls. What? Yes, she's gorgeous. You find her gorgeous? She's princess? Which one you like more, Aizul? You like this one? Don't touch because this is museum. We should not touch anything, okay? Just wow. Wow, such a nice experience. Really enjoyed being here. So guys, this is Heydar Aliyev with his family, the guy whose name is on this museum.